The one more component, we're going to have the Bengali American Hindu Society logo on the screen. And on behalf of the Church of Scientology, I extend our deepest gratitude for your continued support and partnership throughout the year 2024. Your unwavering commitment to fostering unity, understanding, and positive change has been an inspiration and a vital part of our shared mission to uplift humanity. Your dedication to community, your values, and your effort to make the world a better place resonate deeply with us. The bond we share is a testament to what can be achieved when people of goodwill work together towards a common goal. Please accept your heartfelt thanks for your friendship and support. We look forward to continuing our journey together to the spirit of cooperation and shared purpose, creating a brighter and a better future for all of us. And I'm going to give you your certificate one by one. Here. Thank you.
It worked. You want to show them, open them?
Yeah, open them up.
Yeah, open them like that.
What a beautiful And now I'd like to invite Shishi to say a few words.
All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shashir Das. I'm speaking on behalf of the Bengali American Society. Many of our members showed up today in this weather, so that was great. So Bengali American Hindu Society is a non-profit organization which hosts numerous religious events and cultural programs on behalf of the greater Los Angeles Bengali Hindu community here. And since October of 2023, the Church of Scientology Valley has been our consistent venue for hosting these events. And we'd like to express our sincerest gratitude for their support in helping us facilitate these events. And we've gotten to know some of the staff members here on a first-name basis, and we've formed some great bonds with them. And hopefully we continue to host even more events here. I know definitely we'll be having events next year, and hopefully many more events in future years to come. And again, so